after she told me that, every time talaga, I'd listen to her. And so far, okay naman. I mean, I'm happy where I am na sinundan ko yung mom ko. And,
Yeah. So kayo, you're both feisty women. Hopefully, makikita natin yan ngayong gabi. Miss Marcia Julia, it's time to play Deal or No Deal. Choose your lucky briefcase. Sabi kanina ni Julia, before, naalala ko lang, you saw a sign.
yes.
Kanina, habang nandito ka,
Yeah.
would you mind sharing what sign? Ano yung nakita mo?
We made the decision actually what we were gonna pick. Pero, may tumalikod, hindi ko alam kung sino, and I saw the number 16.
16. But initially, you're supposed to choose sana. Ano yung una niyong naisip before coming here?
Number 9.
Number 9. Pero bigla na lang meron na something evident. May nagparamdam sa inyo na briefcase number 16.
Yes.
Okay, so which would be your lucky briefcase? 9 or 16?
16.
Briefcase number 16. Victoria, ibaba na yan, please.
Oh,
Thank you.
Napakaganda na sinabi ni Julia. Last minute, may naramdaman siya o may nakita siyang sign. Well, keep in mind na sana briefcase number 9 ang pipiliin nyo. Pero, kung dahil sa sign na yon, tama ang inyong kutob, tama na pinagbigyan nyo ang sign na yon, you get to take home 2 million pesos. For a very, very good cause. Nagkataon na kami ni Julia, nagkasama na kami sa isang game show of skill.
Skill.
This will be a game of chance,
Yes.
luck, and toughness.
Yes.
Julia, Miss Marjorie, may gusto ba kayo sabihin? Kay Banker.
Banker, my mother deserves this.
Nakakalaman.
Banker? Ako pwede rin?
Of course.
I'm a single mother, banker.
You're playing a single mom card, ha?
Yes.
Okay.
Single mom card.
Miss Marge, let's start. Let's open 5 cases.
7.
We are starting with briefcase number 7. Kate, buksan yan, please.
Oh, no! It's okay.
First case of the evening pa lang po. Goodbye! 2 million pesos. Aray!
My...
Napakasakit. Pero, napakarami tayong matutulungan ng 1 million
Oo,
pesos.
marami na yung 1.
4 pa.
5.
Briefcase number 5. Rose, open it please. Okay. Goodbye 10 pesos. Sana sa round na to, sana man lang,
Wow.
mabuksan na ang piso. 3 more.
Briefcase number 11.
Briefcase number 11. Angel, buksan din please. Okay. Nakikita natin na medyo na kay Julia ang swerte.
Yes, siya na muna.
Julia, dalawa pa.
Briefcase number 13.
Briefcase number 13. Lorraine, open it please. 1,000 pesos. Tanggal na yan. Smart, ayaw mo pa bumili?
Ayoko pa, hindi sa round na to. Ayoko.
Okay, Julia, last one.
Briefcase number 18.
Briefcase number 18. Jasmine, buksan na yan, please. Okay na naman.
Better than 2 million.
Nagsisisihan na.
May ritan ka pa ng oras sa March.
Wow. 2 million.
Bittersweet. Bittersweet first round. Good evening, Banker. Napakagandang gabi daw talaga, sabi ni Banker. At napakaraming magagandang dilag sa aming set. Pero para kay Banker, mas maganda yung first case na nabuksan. Thank you very much. Banker's first offer for this evening is is 28,000 pesos. Under 28,000, but still, my opinion, long way to go.
Yes.
Ang dami pang malalaking amount.
Yes.
However, kung okay naman kayo sa 28,000, push the button, deal, uwi na tayo.
Aha.
Pero pag no deal, isa rin yan, magbubukas tayo ng 3. Miss Martin Julia, is it a deal or no deal?
No deal.
No deal?
No deal.
Okay, stand up please.
I'll do it.
That means the game continues. 3 cases.
Okay, June. 9. Okay. Please up to 9.
Briefcase number 9. Makabawi niya si Miss March sa briefcase number 9. You have to wait sa pagbabalik ng pamilya. Deal or no deal?